Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, tow haul mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.